Oh, damn it. This little weenie ass. Alright, I'm done. I'm sorry. And this motherfucker said I never come out. Hey, yo, hold up. Hey, don't be flashing me.
Now I was fucking with you at first. You was like, hold up, did I see that? No. What? Then you was looking around like...
I blame drugs. What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck they arguing about? It looked like she about to drag the bitch out the car.
Like she's excited.
She fake kirking.
She's excited about something.
She ain't gonna swing though.
No, she was like, oh my God.
They young as shit. Yo, I was not hanging outside this late at night at this age.
Focus! Focus yourself. Cause we're in the focus. Well, I don't know what the fuck just happened, but motherfucker was talking about shooting people, then it was a fight at the first meet, which I didn't record. It was just too cold. My hands.
And then one girl was going fucking at it too, and the guy, the person who was in the fucking Camry. It was fucking insane.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck was going on.
I had no idea what the hell was going on. For a second, I thought something was about to go down.
Super! What the fuck?
What the fuck? You're like, Mopar! You getting over or what?
Nope, he ain't. No, we thought we lost you at first. Like, we thought it was someone else who was, like, tailgating us. He was like, who the fuck is this on my ass?
Yeah.
No, this is only the second camera I have.
But you don't like it and you want another one. Like this is an advanced camera. You just gotta take
It's
it
like really slow at focusing. Like it takes like almost 2 minutes to focus.
She wants the one that's like top of the line, like everyone else has.
Yeah, so like
I know I'm ordering these cakes.
yeah, we was in IHOP. God damn it.
This Mexican pancake platter.
This is slowest goddamn man ever.
Not slow.
His name is Turtle. That's his name. Bye. Hey. Look at him. Thank you, Turtle.
Oh, whatever.
Where the hell did he go?
It's right there.
Where?
He's in his car.
Yo, what's up? Just got in the house. It is like, I am not full of energy. It just seems like it, but it's like 4:10 in the morning. But yo, tonight was fucking crazy. Shout out to JBM. Yo, tonight was crazy. Yo, JBM is getting hella big, bro. Like their meets are like, oh, it's crazy, bro. I thought we was all gonna get shot at that last one. I don't think I recorded at all. I don't think I did, but motherfuckers talking about some shooting people and shit. And the first one, I don't know if I told. I'm so tired. I don't know. But the second one, the one after JBM, where I didn't record. I recorded a little bit. I recorded Mark and Keon. Like this motherfucker, I don't know what the fuck happened. I just know someone and I be telling y'all about them Glen Burnie meets. Like I knew that shit wasn't in my head. I started to ask that dude could I record him on camera, but I knew that shit wasn't in my head about that race. Them motherfuckers in Glen Burnie being racist. Dude was like, this white boys called him a nigger and shit. And then like when you're faced with that shit, you wanna fucking act like a little pussy and shit. So they left out, and apparently I think they came back with the cops. You wanna sit up there and call somebody a nigger or some shit like that, but then don't wanna face the consequences. I don't know what the fuck happened, but I told y'all motherfuckers, like them white people in Glen Burnie, like they a fucking trip, yo. They a fucking trip. Like they wanna dress and act like us, but don't like us. Like how the fuck does that make sense?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.